Hey, I ran today almost 3 kilometers na, and yeah, my body, my legs, they're a bit heavy today, and also the sun is scorching hot, so maragluya. So yeah, always an easy run, but I'm excited. The highlight is giving this treat to Brownie. Let's see if ganahan siya ani. So let's see. Something for you. Di na siya mao nga Brownie. Kato na Brownie. Come on. Oh, di siya excited to see me. Brownie! Hiya! Come here! I have something for you! Dali! It's jerky! Aww! Oh, mga kalaban. Ayan na sila, mga kalaban. Wait lang, Brownie. Friends lang, ha? Okay, get it. Kana, eat it. Good boy. Want more? Here's one. Eat! Come on. Here. Oh, you should share. Oy! Wala ka ni share. Wait lang. It's recording. Nako diri sa bukid. So good to be back again in the, for one, in the bukid, and for two, running in the bukid. Nada yung mga semento and a bit of nakuha ng bukid. Okay, golf course area ni diri sa Duro. So what can we do? Ginani man nila. Alright, bye. Come here. Oh, let me touch you. I don't have a kwan anymore. Wala na ko'y brief. Actually, napa, pero next time na lang. Para at least ba, napa ko'y mada next time. Alright? Aww, you want a neck rub? Aww, you want a neck rub? Bye-bye. I'm gonna go, okay? Bye-bye.